We are continuing coverage of some new laws that went into effect in July in Mississippi, well, on July 1st, 2025 here. You may remember House Bill 1197, which is the Safe Solicitation Act. And this law requires a permit when soliciting along a public street or sidewalk.
Counties and municipalities had a 6-month window to sort out the plan. The city of Columbus voted to opt out of this law, and we spoke with the city about the decision. The city of Columbus voted to opt out of enforcing House Bill 1197, the Safe Solicitation Act. The law defines solicitation as to request money or anything of value as a donation or contribution, or to request any other thing of value in exchange for any goods, wares, merchandise, or thing of value while standing, sitting, or positioned in any manner on any road, street, highway median, traffic island, or highway intersection. The law requires solicitors to obtain a permit that cannot exceed the fee of $25. While this law may help crack down on panhandling or harassing others for money, Columbus Vice Mayor and Ward 1 Alderwoman Ethel Stewart said she had concerns.
My thought was, my God, if you don't have the money, you can't afford to go and even buy a permit.
Stewart says a lot of her concerns stems from vendors who would be affected by this law.
You know, in Columbus, for solicitation, I see a lot of the farmers that farm really hard all year long with their vegetables just so they can get out and sell it and make money to pay their rents, help their children buy school clothes. So for people that work to make money that way, I would definitely will not want to see that we ban them from doing that, because it's a difficult job and it's for families that willing to get out and work honestly as opposed to doing something illegal. They're selling fruits and vegetables and watermelons, and I applaud them when I see them out in the community selling their work that they work very hard for.
Stewart says having to pay for a permit, which is good for one day, may stop vendors from selling their products. Richard Rast has been selling produce in Columbus for 37 years. He sees things differently and thinks the rules that already exist should apply to everyone.
It's a good living, but I also think that people that do sell need to have a permit and need to go by the guidelines of the state of anything else. Just like you don't open up a store without a license. Why be sitting out here without a license? If you're going to be out here doing this, you need the license.
Lowndes County Board of Supervisors President Tripp Harston says this is more of an issue in urban areas, and the county has not taken it up for discussion. He says he feels there are more pressing law enforcement issues.